things, we are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they may be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Apo, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted between these couples at the kumontrate ng wedding? Muawan, let us continue. Tadat ka nga doon, sir? Ma'am? Mila said, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be? Anador, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be? Do you take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed? Anador, will you have Milacel to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others? Be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? Milacel, will you have Anador to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others? Be faithful to him as you both shall live? Okay, Ate Sisi. Pakilabas. Okay lang. And follow after me. Muna ka Anador. Anong si Emmanuel? I give you, pakisabi. I give you. Left. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. So, mo. So, letang follow after me. Sel. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. So, mon. Okay, tataman garot, sumama kayo to'y. Nagigay family and friends tayo. Anamat tayo yun ng pinwish yun nagigay ka sa bagay. Tayo pinwish. Thank you. Wish tayo. Thank you. Ultimate. Ang nag-thank you baga, wish tayo nagiging kasal.
Bagat lang.
Thank you. O, sa mga kailikod, sir, payo man, wish nagiging kasal. Tayo kay wish.
Sana sa hirap at yun magkasama kami.
Thank you.
For better or worse, sigat lang sana ako lagi naman.
Thank you. Magharap na kayong dalawa. Anador, hawak mo kami ni Elisel. Ngayon naman, as the wife to be, ano naman promise mo to your husband? Kasi nasa sa ko. is prepared.
Sumulat po ko ng tula. Dumating ka ng hindi sinasadya. Sa daan ikay nakilala. Mula na pa ikay nagtyaga ako'y ligawan. Sa iyong pagsusumikap ako ay iyong napamangha. At sa halos isang taon, ako'y iyong napao. Iyong mga magulang akin ay nakilala. Sa lungkot na puso, iyong napunan ng ligay. Pag-ibig ang sentro ng inyong pamilya. Anak kong ako'y ituring, kapunangan sa aking puso'y inyong napunuan. Isang anghel ang biglang dumating. Sa unay, hindi ko sukat akalain. Akala ko ito'y paghihirap. Ito pala yung regalo at sagot ng Diyos sa panalangin. Nagkaroon ng halaga at kulay ang buhay. Sa halos 4 na taon natin bilang magnobyo at nobyo at 9 na taong mag-live-in partner, hindi madali ang ating mga pinagdaanan. Ang tanong ko sa Diyos, bakit sa atin ay naiiba sa pakahirap? Aking napagtanto na sa ating tagal ng pagsasama, punong-puno ng aral ang gustong ipahatid ng buong may kapal. Matigas ang ulo at mahirap sa ating nooy makinig. Ito'y naging daan upang ang Diyos ating makilala. Iba pala kung ang mga salita ng Diyos ang ating gabay at siya'y maging sentro ng ating pamilya. Kaya ako'y andito sa iyong harapan at ika'y buong pusong tinatanggap. Dito ka lang, sabi na sa kanta ni Moira. Dito ka lang, kahit minsan puso ko'y bagot at parang hindi na kaya. Pamahalin pa rin kita. Dito ka lang sa aking tabi, kasamang haharapin ang pagsubok sa buhay.
Thank you. Oh, Anador, ano naman gusto mong sabihin kay Milacel sa husband? Vows mo sa kanya. Thank you. Oh, follow after me. I hereby take you,
I hereby take you,
Milacel,
Milacel,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to
heart, one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward,
On this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and pain,
to love
to love
and to cherish,
and to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until
We be parted by death.
we be parted by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my soul.
Follow after me also, Milacel. I hereby take you, Anador,
I hereby take you another,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection,
one affection.
from this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love
to love
and to cherish,
and to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until we departed by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
By the virtues of the powers vested in me, by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as your witnesses, I, Benjamin Loren Quaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Pampanga, Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage which you have contracted and now pronounce you lawfully wedded, husband and wife. Again, and now, this First, legal fees.
Wow! Huwag nga natin takpan ng alam na.
Congratulations. Pirma kayo. Bigyan din ninong ninang witnesses. Ang witness kayo na nagpirmada ako.
Hala, sir.
Ala, very good. Ninong ninang witness yung pirmada. Habis na double check mo. With the family. Okay, safe.
1, 2, 3. One, two, three, isa pa po. 1, 2, 3. Okay, last one. Okay.
O, ninong ninang, ninong ninang. Anong follow-up natin? Kasi kung hindi kaya pa Congress.
1, 2, 3. Isa pa po. Okay, last one.
Ay,
Hindi po. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa po. 1, 2, 3. Okay, last one. Okay.
Tawag ng follow-up. Sino pa eh? Sino pa ikintang pa-picture? Okay, sige nga doon wala. No, kaya ito copy, alam mo yung next pamalit na email.
1, 2, 3. Isa pa po.
Tama. Ayan, oh, good.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3.